Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to change Facebook cover photo without notification. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correct. Before we get started, make sure that you've updated your Facebook application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. First of all, you'll have to open up your Facebook application. As you open up your Facebook, this kind of interface might appear on your device, and on this following page in the top right corner, tap on the try bar icon. On the other page, you will be directed into menu page. Over here, what you have to do is you simply have to tap on see your profile, which is under your username. On the other page, you will be directed into your profile page. So you can see right on top there is a cover photo, and just beside it there is a camera icon. Just tap on it. There is a drop down menu, so from there you'll have to tap on upload photo, which is on the second step. As you tap on it, on the other page you have all the images that is stored on your gallery. So from here you'll have to select the picture that you actually want to upload it. So all you have to do is simply tap on it. As you can see, the cover photo has been selected, and all you have to do is tap on save in the top right corner, and right at the bottom you can see there is a notification saying that uploading your cover photo, and you can see once again there is an update saying that your cover photo has been uploaded. And now what you have to do is simply scroll down, and over here you can see that Facebook has actually created a post for you. So in order to turn off notification, what you have to do is tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, from the drop down menu, tap on turn off notification for this post. So once you tap on turn off notification, what actually it does is that you'll not be able to receive any notification, which means that if other person has liked your picture or commented, then you'll not be able to receive any notification. So next step, what you can do is do the same process. Tap on three dot icon in the top right corner, and now you'll have to tap on hide profile, which is right in between. And once you tap on it, once again there's a confirmation, so then tap on confirm. So out here you can see the profile picture is still the same, but then the Facebook has not created any post for it, which means that nobody will be notified whether you have changed your cover picture or not. So that is how you can change Facebook cover photo without notification. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.